Hello everyone and welcome back to Zackled Educational Channel. So most of you are asking about the results for the CPCB, answer key, when will be our response sheet out. So all these questions we will be able to know answers from the previous year's pattern of CPCB. So this video is very important to know how the selection is done, when the results are expected, and when the final recruitment of this examination will be taking place for all the posts for the recruitment of the CPCB for the year 2025. So without much delay, let's start today's video. First of all, before going into the results thing, answer key, when they will be released, what is the procedure, we should know when the examination was conducted. Most of you will be knowing, still I am telling. The exam was conducted for the year 2025 for the CPCB for various posts on June 21st, Saturday, and June 22nd, Sunday. So it consisted of lot of posts such as multitasking staff, scientist B, account assistant, data entry operator. So here scientist B position, all the position for different sectors, that is from the different branches starting from civil engineering, microbiology, environmental engineering, it took place on June 21st. We all know that. Now we will know that scientist B, how the marks will be given for the selection criteria. So here it has been written in the notification itself that weightage for the written test and the interview for the post of scientist B shall be 85:15. That means if they will give, that means they will surely give the marks out of 100 of our candidates, those who are applying for scientist B, 85 marks will be taken from the written test. We all know the total marks from the written test of the scientist B is 70, but that will be converted into 85 marks and 15 will be for the interview. It is not that all of you will be selected for the interview. For the next stage of recruitment, here the cutoff marks is also given. Yes, candidates scoring less than the cutoff marks as given below will not be considered for the next stage of recruitment. This is for all the posts. Let me remind you. First is unreserved category, 35% you should minimum have. Above that only, then only you will be considered for the next stage. If it is typing test, skill test, interview. So 35% for the unreserved category. And for example, let us see here, it is 70 marks for the scientist B is there. So how much you should score if you are from the unreserved category? Minimum 24.5 marks you should secure in order to qualify for the next stage, that is the interview round. For OBC EWS, that is 30% of the marks you should secure minimum for the next stage. For any of the posts which you applied, that comes around how much for the scientist B? For 70 marks, it is coming around 21 marks minimum you should score. Let me remind you, there was negative mark in the scientist B. Next is other categories, SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen. 25% is the minimum marks you should score. Minimum mark, less than that you will not be considered for the next recruitment. 25% means 17.5 marks for the scientist B, I am telling. Then again you can calculate as per your own subject which you have applied or post. Next, coming to the next slide. So from here onwards we will know how it happened last time. That will give you a hint how the results are announced, how the time is given for the answer key questioning and all these things. Answer key. So first of all, you should know last time in 2023 when this examination took place, 17th and 18th of June the examination took place. So this time it was 21st and 22nd of June 2025. Last time it was 17th and 18th of June 2023. And the answer keys were released by 21st of June itself. Yes, and the notice came, they didn't mention here, you can see here 19th itself, the next day of the exam, notice came that 21st of June will be the response sheet given, answer key will be given along with the response sheet of the candidates, and you can raise the question if you are challenging any question, and that should be 1000 rupees per question, the amount you should pay in order to raise the question. Period of 21 to 22nd June. 2 days time they gave in order to raise the question. After 1 day of the result and 1 day of the exam, they said that after 3 days the response sheet and answer key will be out, and for 2 days you can challenge. But again there came on 28th of June that the delay will be there in publishing the answer key. That is delayed by 14 to 15 hours. It is not that much delay in the date. 14 to 15 hours the delay was there. So the answer key and response sheet were released on 3 o'clock on 21st of June 2023, and review and challenge of the answer key was given for the 48 hours. Now you can see here, after the examination was over, 17th and 18th, next day itself notice came, and again also next day there was a change in the timing, but within 4 days on 21st of June the answer key and response sheet were out. But now as you can see here, the exam has taken place already 21st and 22nd of June 2025. Till now there is no such notification coming from CPCB. So that's what makes us worried, like when they will be announcing the results and answer sheet. Let's move on to the next slide to know furthermore. Next, what happened is they released the candidate marks. Yes, first they announced for the scientist B candidate marks for all the candidates, those who have applied for this examination. And here it was normalized also, because from 85 they will consider. So all the marks for all the candidates were given, but selected candidates for the next round, that is interview round, were only those candidates those were able to secure the minimum cutoff, as we have discussed in the second slide of this video. So first, scientist B, their candidates marks was released, as you can see, with the name, roll number and raw marks along with the normalized marks. This one is also expected for this time, it will come along this thing. And again after that they have also announced the candidate marks for the other various posts excluding the scientist B, because scientist B was announced earlier prior to this thing, other posts. So this other post also they've given account assistant, data entry operator, multitasking staff, senior lab assistant. All of their marks they released after the scientist B marks were released for the candidates. Then next comes the results. After your marks are released, results will come that these are the selected candidates for the next round. And they had to go for the verification of document. This is for the assistant law officer, assistant account officer. In August 8th, they asked to visit Delhi for the document verification. Similarly, here on 25th, here it was announced on 24th of July. So now it is coming to the next month. June was the exam, July the results for the first stage. On 25th, it came for some other post, that is senior laboratory assistant. Here as you can see here, the senior laboratory assistant number of vacancies advertised was 15, but vacancies were increased. Yes, 2 more vacancies they included, and at the end there were total of 17 vacancies. So the vacancies can also increase and they can also reduce the vacancy depending upon their own demand. So this was the thing for the results for the first category. Now let us see here. For the scientist B, results were announced. The previous one was for the assistant and other post. On 26th, that you can see here, it came in September month, not in July month. For the scientist B, it came in September month. That means July, August, September, 3 months almost it took for the results for the scientist B position, and they gave the interview date for all the scientist B position. It was when? It was in November. It was not in September or October. It was in November. So next again 2 more months. So here you can see here, they have also given the skill and typing test, those posts which are having skill and typing test, for them in October. Now it is coming to the October month, they release that typing test, the examination for the selected candidates, and they have to appear on 29th of October for the typing test. So the address was same, Delhi office. They asked for the typing test or skill test if you are having in some post. It is not like the scientist B in which they asked in November for the interview. For other posts they asked in October. So it is not that for all the posts, all the vacancies they will be calling in the same month. So it is different, as you can see. Now final results when it was announced. So here, this is the main thing you should note here. Let's see. Final results were announced that the skill test happened for the other post, and they were asked to go for again document verification on December 11, 2023. Similarly, for the scientist B, December 13 they announced the results for the scientist position, and here they asked for the interview. That was the interview held on November 3rd, 2023, and results were declared on December 13. So from June to December, it took almost around how many months? Almost 6 months it took place for scientist B position for the final results to be announced. Similarly, here also December 11. This also for other posts I haven't taken because the video will be too long. I just wanted to tell you how the procedure goes. First, response sheet and answer keys will be released. Then you have to challenge that. Then they will release the scorecard marks of all the students. Then they will release the selected candidates. Then they will say for the next round. Then again they will say when to come for the checking of your documents. Finally, in 6 months they used to complete this process, and this time till now it is already delayed because they used to tell the answer key and response sheet within 2 days of the conduction of the examination, but this time they haven't. And most important thing you should note down here, number of posts advertised in advertisement number 222, that was for the 2023 examination, for the scientist B position was 62, but number of posts decreased due to the demobilization of the post is 7. So finally 55 posts were there. So at the end they can also reduce the post. In one case we saw they increase the post, and in one case in the scientist B page we have seen they will reduce the post if they want. So it is as per their wish. So this time also we are expecting it will take 6 months, 5 to 6 months for the complete procedure for the recruitment of the CPCB. If you are applying for any other examination, focus on that more. No need to wait and then just increase your anxiety. You have done your work, forget that. But yes, you should always check the website for the updates, and you can follow our channel exactly for further updates. We will be providing you the updates when the CPCB will announce any update. So see you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.